Hey, how's it going? It's GGCubing, and today we're gonna do some blind solving. Today is my other day, or the Monday, so that's the other video day. Originally I was gonna have a Moyu Weilong version 1 review out, but I really want to spend some time on it. This week's kind of busy this weekend because it's the 4th of July, which is when I'm filming this video, and when I am working on my review. So yeah, I want to focus on that rather than pumping out a review this weekend, then getting it out to you, which is today, Monday, or for you when you're seeing this video. So yeah, but anyways, let's get into this blind solve. I'm very excited about it. I don't do blind that much, but I am competing in it very soon. So let's get started. I have the Scramble right here. I will post the Scramble in the description. My blind orientation is orange in front, yellow on top, because that's a very popular orientation. So I have my blindfold over here. It's kind of weird looking, girly looking. I got it from CVS, but it works. So let's move this out of the way. Cool. I'll scramble with green in front and white on top though, because that's how. Oops. Sorry if there's background sounds. I'm in a different spot right now because my typical filming spot is not the best for this type of video. So yeah, so now it's all mixed up. Give it a spin so I'm not in my orientation, and now I'm gonna get my blindfold put on my beautiful forehead. Oh, by the way, I'm doing this at Nationals 2 and BASC 7, so something to look out for. So now I can't look at it yet. I did not look. Here, let me get this like towel thing. Alright, by the way, let's just take one, just in case you're curious. 3, 2, 1. Apologize if this takes a while. Cool. So, let me get my glasses on. That was a 4-minute, 51-second solve. I'm very proud of that. That's what I averaged basically in blind. Yeah, it's all complete. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you Wednesday, where I will have my next episode of SpeedCubing 101 out. Next Friday, I'll have an average. And, of course, next Monday will be the Moyu Weilong version 1 review. I hope you look forward to that, and I will see you then. So, see you later, guys. Peace out. And, oh, by the way, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you have tips for me in blind, please let me know in the comments. I would be much appreciative of that because I kind of suck at blind, as you can see. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.